Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. How good does that look? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another miserable day in Scotland. So as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, it's time to detail the outside of this car. So with that, let's get the focus out of the way. Excellent. And let's put the ST right about there. Excellent. Now let's take a look around it, see how dirty this car actually is for those of you that haven't seen the rest of this rebuild series. And I've got quite a few new products I'm going to try out today. So we'll check them out once we've checked out the car. Right, so as you can tell, there's an awful lot of permanent marker all over this car. But nearly all of that should come out, so that's not an issue. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of ingrained dirt as well. And it could really do with a proper clean. So with that, let's take a look at the products that we're going to try out today. Right, so I've never used any of these products before, and I can do separate review videos if you guys want. Just leave a comment down below and let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in. And a huge shout out to Richard for letting me know about these products. He's one of the subscribers on the channel. Thanks very much, dude. I really appreciate it. So with that, let's take one of these, put it on this, and let's crack on with it. Well, she's looking better already. So with that, let's get the wheel arches done properly with a brush. Give the wheels a quick wash. And then we'll move on to the tar and glue remover and the iron fallout remover. Ladies and gentlemen, she's looking fabulous. Look how good it's turned out already. Unfortunately though, I'm pretty sure that the sunlight's making it look a lot better than it is. So with that, let's get it back in the garage, give it a clay bar, see how badly scratched this paint actually is.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's started to hailstone. Right, so what you saw me do after the clay bar was basically use a little bit of panel wipe to remove all of the red pen that somebody decided to put all over the car. Let's break out the machine polisher and we'll set out to fix all of this. It doesn't come out very well on camera, but as you can see, the paint is still insanely dull. So with that, let's crack on. Well, that looks absolutely awesome. It's a shame because the camera really does not do it justice as to just how shiny that car is. Now, obviously, I just gave you guys a bit of a highlight of it being machine polished, because it definitely would not have fit into a 10-minute YouTube video. And what's good as well is, I didn't have to use the yellow pad, because the microfiber cut so well and has done such a good job at finishing it off, I didn't see the need in using it. So with that, let's break out the panel wipe and panel wipe every single panel to make sure there's no polish left on it. And then we'll crack on with giving it a ceramic coat. And that's the ceramic coating finished. Looking spectacular. So the car's going to have to sit here for about 12 to 24 hours while it cures, which is absolutely fine. So let's put some tyre dressing on, and then we'll open the garage door and take a quick look at how shiny this car is. Yes, I'm not a big fan of super shiny tyres, so I wipe the stuff off quite quick, and it leaves like a matte finish, which I think it looks a lot better in a tyre. Anyway, let's open the garage door, see how shiny this bad boy is. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. How good does that look? But you're not going to get to see it in the light. I have to wait for it to cure. So if you're new around here, click the subscribe button. Next week, once the ceramic coat's cured, we'll have a look at it outside and we'll clean the interior at the same time. So with that, guys and girls, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.